Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon, everybody. I am Nasser Karim, and I was asked by the Young Ideas Executive to give to you a historical background about the choir. I'm an associate member of the club. The club was established in 1940. That was in the years of the Second World War. Now, in those years, there's a lot of people who can relate to this time. That was a time pre the apartheid era, where clubs was formed because of families or the street that they lived in. Now, Young Ideas was such a club. They was established in Loader Street in Bukab. They got their name from the Young Ideas Rugby Football Club, and they became a friend and a family-orientated team. Now, interesting, and I'm going to name a few names here tonight of people who have passed on. May the Almighty grant them a high place in Jannah, inshallah. But the first chairman was a Mr. Price. We couldn't get to the initial of the guy, but we know he was Price. Now he's obviously Mr. Price. Then the secretary of the club was Jakuf Adams, and he was the father of the late Utasani Adams, who also became known with Young Ideas. Our first Nederlands singer was, they tell me I must rather give the guy's nickname with all due respect, but Butasali Atika. And at the time, as a 16-year-old Butawoti, also a well-known figure in the Cape Malay choir circles, he joined the choir as a 16-year-old at the time. The choir moved to different places due to klopskamers not being available. But in the 60s, the late 60s, the choir moved to Athlone. Now, in the meantime, a few well-known characters joined up with the team. We talk here about Ahmad Barense, Dula Isaacs, Bani Flores, well-known musician, Bacha Flores, Mani Barense, and then interesting, the two Flores brothers, who's now with the Zinias here, Yasin and Ali. But the most revered figure of the time who joined up was Buta Fuad Watson. I believe his wife is in the hall here tonight. He was a very fiery Cape Malay choir board delegate, representing his club in board meetings. He was a difficult customer. I think Mr. April will attest to that. We are currently situated in Magnolia Street in Lentig here. The current chairman is Ahmad Barnes, and the coach, who was incidentally also one of the first junior soloists, is Mr. Ibrahim Barnes. Mr. Ibrahim Barnes. Other guys who were prominent with the choir was Ziggy Gray, Osman Abrams, Utanua Diedericks, Ridwan van der Schuyf. He was better known as Herbie. The club will be celebrating the 75th anniversary next year, inshallah. And the current executive would like to thank all those past and present members for their contribution they made throughout the years. We also want to thank the Cape Malay Choir Board for giving the choirs the opportunity to have a concert, choral competition in a structured manner. And also, happy birthday to the Cape Malay Choir Board. Thank you. I forgot, I must announce the items we're going to do. The comic song will be the Kraamsaal. Die liedje gaan oor oude aan Zolery in die pad. Dan raak ons 'n voorloper siek, hy's 'n moffie. Maar die medical dink hy's 'n vrou. Afvat hom na die kraamsaal. Nou julle kan dink wat gaan nou die kraamsaal aan. As julle die mekaar. En dan die moppie sal gesing word deur Iskak Byke. Die Nederlands lied is Een Sorg en Kwel. Nasser Karim sal daai sing. En daai liedjie gaan oor 'n man en 'n vrou wie se huwelik nie meer reg is nie. Die vrou het die huis uit geloop en nou verlang die man. Hy sê al wat my hart na hartraan verlang. Daai is die Nederlands lied. Shukran, ladies and gentlemen.
Daar is moeilijkheid, baie moeilijkheid. wat? Ano? Anikramsa, the star of movie. Anikramsa, the star of movie. Das Hospital walang sanhanaw baba. Di mamislenin na Swiss yaw mit mata. Di polisiye ni doktor Stanislas. Walang mo pinansin. At si Hai. Oh no, die Kram zal daar een haar nou pak. Als jou allemaal op een warm staat, die politie aan de daar waar strijdjaarij, waarom op die laatste? Wat zie hij? Hij gaat er baby krijgen. Oh no, die politie, die komt weer uit. Die 60 graden was niet fijn, die politie, die komt er stuk. Maar die man is wel om uit die zalen kijken. Die politie, die komt weer uit. Die 60 graden was niet fijn, die politie, die komt er stuk. Maar die man is wel om uit die zalen kijken. Dit op je liefdes te aan. Oh, wie heeft het goed gedaan? Alles is goed gegaan. Die mensen zijn samen daar. This is
Another round of applause to Young Ideas.